In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up organization and financial settings in Xero to get your accounting environment running smoothly. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will ensure you're all set up in just 5 minutes. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your credentials, your email and password. Once you're in, hit that login button to access your dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your finances within Xero. Now on the dashboard, locate your company name. It's usually at the top right section of the screen. Give that a click and you'll see a list of options drop down. Select settings from this list. Once you're in the settings area, the first thing you want to do is click on organization details. Here you'll find several fields where you can fill out essential information about your company. Enter your display name first. This can simply be your business's public name or an abbreviation that your clients recognize. Next, you'll want to fill in the legal or trading name of the business. This information is crucial for any official documents or dealings, so make sure it's accurate. Then move on to your line of business. This describes the area or sector your business operates in, which helps categorize your business properly within the system. You'll also need to specify your organization type. It could be a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, etc. The business number is next, often used for tax reporting and other official documentation, so have that handy. Then provide a brief overview of your business in the organization description section. This helps anyone reviewing your company understand what you do at a glance. Afterward, ensure that your contact information is complete and accurate, as this information is vital for communication and identification. Now let's shift gears and set up your financial settings. You'll navigate back to your organization's menu by selecting your company name and then settings again. Look for the option labeled looking for advanced settings and click through to access the financial settings. Here, the first step is to set up your sales tax. Depending on your country's regulations, you'll want to make sure this is accurately set to avoid any issues later on. Next, configure your tax defaults to ensure that every transaction aligns with the correct tax codes automatically. Your fiscal year end date is also a critical piece of information used for your financial reports and tax filings. You'll want to set lock dates which prevent any changes to your financial data after certain periods to ensure the integrity of your records. Lastly, adjust your time zone to match your business's geographic location to prevent any timing inconsistencies in transactions. Make sure you click Save once you've entered all your details to ensure everything is properly applied. And there you have it, your Xero environment is all set up with your organizational and financial settings. Remember, having these settings configured correctly not only keeps your business compliant but also streamlines your accounting processes. Thank you for watching, and here's to a smooth and organized financial year.